In the European People's Party, we are following the situation, the political situation in Slovenia with great concern. The show organized by the governing coalition last July in this big gathering with the Prime Minister and the President of the Republic and the Mayor of Ljubljana in the first row is really something to be seen. This praise of the totalitarianism, this praise of communism, these images of Che Guevarre, these attacks to what they call imperialism and capitalism, and also the very extreme anti-European tone of the concert, where a singer says that Europe, the European Union, is a gang of robbers and that we are gangsters, and the Prime Minister clapping these insults to the European Union. This is something that, frankly, it's incredible that a government of the European Union can support such injuries against the European Union. And we hope that this climate will not be in detriment of the independence of the judiciary that is now examining the case of the former Prime Minister Janša. This is really irresponsible from the part of the Slovenian government to take such stance against the Union in moments where extremism and populism is attacking the foundations of the European integration project.